What is going on, everyone? RJ here, and in today's video we are going to go ahead and talk about the three main credit cards that I use in my life today. We're going to start with the American Express. So on the American Express family side of things, I use the American Express Gold card, I use the American Express Platinum card, and for other places that just don't accept American Express, I do have a Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So we're going to talk about how those three credit cards kind of have a place in my ecosystem on how I use them on a day-to-day basis or throughout the year. Before we dive into the three credit cards, if you guys haven't already and you guys are new to this channel, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button down below, as it truly helps the almighty YouTube algorithm promote this video and this channel to find other viewers such as yourselves and other potential viewers out there. Also, follow me on my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardonis. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Saturday so far. We do have some credit cards to cover here, so without further ado, let's go ahead and cover them. So the first credit card that I want to go over that's in my arsenal is the American Express Platinum card. This isn't the card that I use on a day-to-day basis, but it is heavily geared towards more lifestyle and travel. And the American Express Platinum card is the card I use exclusively for travel. Brandy and I have both used its perks. We've used the concierge service to get us reservations on restaurants that are completely booked out. So that has been an amazing feature to have and an amazing perk, because we have been on vacations where there's a restaurant that we really want to go to and it's completely booked out online and everywhere. So all I do is I call concierge service and they go ahead and work their magic, and they so happen to be able to find us seats and get us reservations to those restaurants. And so the American Express Platinum card, let's go ahead and go through it. So if you guys haven't signed up for it already, you do have the potential to earn 100,000 membership rewards points. Plus, earn 10x points on eligible purchases on your card at restaurants worldwide and Shop Small in the US. And of course, since I'm already an American Express Platinum member, I don't really look for the points, but what I do look for is all the perks and benefits it comes with. Let's take a look. So it comes with $200 hotel credit, and that's annual. And so we were able to use a $100 hotel credit from one of the hotels that we traveled to in Asheville, North Carolina. We were able to get a $100 dine-in credit, so it almost paid for one of our dinners, which was really, really nice. And we do have another $100 to use by the end of this year. It also comes with your $200 airline fee credit, and so this thing covers certain incidental fees along with charging check-in bags and stuff like that, so you can get more information on here. I don't normally use the $200 airline fee because it's really more for incidentals and stuff, but it is there for you to use. One of the perks that they just added this year, and I'm not really too keen on this, but it does give you $300 with Equinox, and this is yearly, so you get $25 statement credits each month at Equinox. Simply use your Platinum card to pay for monthly Equinox all access destinations and memberships. And if we scroll down here, we do get more benefits that I kind of like to use. So you get $200 Uber Cash. And how they do that is you get $15 in Uber Cash each month for either rides or eats orders. And Brandy and I are foodies, so what we do is we use the $15 for something like Uber Eats for random dinner nights where we're feeling lazy. And I'll show you guys, it pairs really nicely with the Gold card, because the Gold card also gives you, I believe, $10. So we get a maximum of $25 a month in a form of Uber Cash for our Uber Eats credits. So I really like that perk. It really helps if you do like to order Uber Eats and order out sometimes. You also get a $240 digital entertainment credit, and this one doesn't really pertain to me too much. We get $20 back each month if you use it for Peacock, the New York Times, Audible, or SiriusXM. So some of you guys do use SiriusXM. I'm just a Spotify person, so I play my music right from Spotify, but you do get to utilize that credit as well. Something that I was able to use right off the bat was the $100 global entry credit, and so I was able to apply for the $100 global entries, and I now have TSA pre as well as global entry for those international flights. And something that I absolutely for sure use is this $100 shop sacks with platinum. So you get $50 semi-annual basis. So what I do is I normally shop for cologne. So every 6 months I'll look for cologne that I want, and then I kind of just purchase it. And even if it's a little over it, it still cuts down on it, right? So if I get myself like a Acqua di Gio cologne, which is about $110, it already cuts that in $50. I cover the difference in there. You also have a $179 clear credit. So if you want to use TSA pre or clear, this does come with it. I mean, why not? If they're paying for it anyways, you might as well see if you can get both. And also the global dining access by Resi. And then let's scroll down here. So this is how you earn points. And so let's cover the meat of this. The Platinum card is now coming in, and this started this year. It used to be $500, but now they upped it to $695. So it is definitely a hefty fee. Now you can earn 5x points on flights booked directly with airlines or with American Express Travel, up to 500,000 of these purchases per calendar year. You can also get 5x points on prepaid hotels booked on AmexTravel.com, and then everything else is 1x. So in terms of how you earn points, it is not the best, because unless you're traveling 24/7 and you are booking hotels 24/7, the essential points you're getting is 1x on pretty much anything, i.e. dining, groceries, and stuff like that. So I primarily use the Platinum card exclusively for travel. And of course, it comes with other benefits on there. The main benefits that I haven't even spoken about yet is it comes with the American Express Centurion Lounge, along with the Delta lounges and a few others that they note in there. Because I live in Charlotte, North Carolina, we do have access to the Centurion Lounge here, which is a really, really good perk. And so when you travel, it's always nice to be able to relax at a lounge. Everything in here is complimentary. Well, not really, you're paying for it with the membership, but of course, you know what I mean. Drinks are all included. The food is all included, and it's free Wi-Fi, and it gives you kind of just that nice relaxing separation from the crazy hectic airport stress and feel, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And so if there is no Centurion Lounge, there is other lounges that you can take a look at that does come with the Platinum membership. Now moving on over to the American Express Gold card. This is my daily driver in terms of what I use it for every single day. So let's go ahead and go through some of the perks here. You can get up to 75,000 membership rewards points, plus an intro APR of 0% for the first 12 months. Again, I'm already a member, so the points doesn't really pertain to me, but here is some of the best things that I use the American Express Gold card for. You get 4x points on dining at restaurants, including takeout and delivery. You get 4x points on groceries at US supermarkets, up to $25,000 in purchases per year, and 3x points on flights booked directly with airlines or AmericanExpressTravel.com. And then everything else is 1x points after that. And so obviously I'm a foodie, Brandy and I are foodies, and we love to go grocery shopping. So these 4x points adds up very quickly. Very, very quickly. And so this is my daily driver when we're going out to eat, when we're doing groceries, and then we get 1x points for everything else. Now, some of the featured benefits here is the $120 Uber Cash to dine or ride. So this is on top of the American Express Platinum card. So add your Gold card to the Uber account and you'll automatically get $10 in Uber Cash each month for a total of up to $120 per year. You can use your monthly Uber Cash on Uber Eats or Uber Rides. And so with the $10 here and the $15 on the American Express Platinum, we get a total of $25 a month on Uber Cash, which is really, really good perk. It pays for a meal, and I really, really like that. Again, this is my daily driver in terms of food and grocery shopping. Now, that is the most notable perk of the American Express Gold card. As you can see, it's really more honed in for daily use, such as eating out, such as grocery shopping, Uber Eats credits. It does have a whole bunch of other benefits that they have here, such as travel. But of course, if you have the American Express Centurion card, this travel isn't going to top the Centurion card, of course. But if you eat out a lot, if you do a lot of groceries, the American Express Gold card should be your main daily driver because you get 4x on dining and groceries. Now moving on over to my non-American Express family cards, I used to rock Chase the entire way. I got converted into American Express later on because of the Centurion membership and the Centurion Lounge. But as you guys know, not all places accept American Express credit cards. So you don't want to go to a place and just rock in a fully American Express family because then you can't pay for anything if they don't accept American Express. So you do need to have a backup. And so my preferred choice for a backup is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. I used to have the Chase Sapphire Reserved, which was their $550 card. But having the American Express Platinum card, it was redundant to have both the Sapphire Reserve, which is this card right here, and the American Express Centurion card. So what I did was I downgraded the Reserve to the Preferred, and then I went ahead and moved over to the American Express Centurion card. Now on the Chase Sapphire Preferred, their website, their official Chase website doesn't really do a lot of justice. So what we're going to use is we're going to use creditcards.chase.com. And so they have more information here. So for Chase, you can earn up to 100,000 bonus points, which is equivalent to about $1,250 towards travel when redeemed through the Chase Ultimate Rewards. Again, I already own this, so these points don't matter much to me. The things you guys need to know is that Chase earns 5x total points on travel purchases through Chase Ultimate Rewards, earn 2x on other travel purchases, earn 3x points on dining, including eligible delivery services, takeout, and dining out. Earn 3x points on online grocery purchases, including Target, Walmart, and wholesale. The important thing to note here is online grocery purchases, not in person. New features: earn 3x points on select streaming services, and earn 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. Now, Chase does have a 1-to-1 point transfer, and so, if you guys want to get to the nerdy math of, how much money it is per point, you have people like Credit Shifu and Ask Sebi that break it down for everyone. But again, this is my backup driver in case a place does not accept American Express. This does have an annual fee of $95, and the American Express Gold card does have an annual fee of $250. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Again, I really love using credit cards. I honestly do, and it took me a long time to kind of learn how to have the discipline to use it wisely and then pay it off right away. During our younger years, I know almost everyone that just maxed out credit cards, blew up their credit cards, and didn't know how to use it. But in today's world, my philosophy is if you are spending the money now, you might as well get something for it. So if I'm spending money on groceries, if I'm spending money on eating out, I might as well get something back, whether that's in the form of travel points or whether that's in the form of cash back. I always believe that if you're gonna spend the money, get something back for it anyways. But that's for another topic of conversation, because credit card discipline is something that we all had to kind of learn either the hard way or it was taught to us when we were much younger. For me, I had to learn it the hard way by maxing out credit cards, and it was not a pretty sight. But with that being said, if you guys found this video useful or you found yourselves learning something new, do me a favor and smashy that like and subscribe button down below. It truly helps the almighty YouTube algorithm promote this video and this channel to find other viewers such as yourselves and other potential viewers out there. Also follow me on my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardanas. I will leave referral links down below in the 3 credit cards that we covered today if you guys find yourselves interested in any of those cards. If you guys have any other questions, just obviously please post them in the comments section below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Saturday. Life is too freaking short, so eat some delicious food, drink some delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm gonna see everyone on the next video next time.